unboxing of all the stuff like I've been telling you guys. I got the Predator 500 stuff on the right hand side, and then I've got Ram 2500 parts for the truck on the left hand side. Alright guys, unboxing the next box. I believe it's for the Predator, I'm pretty sure. This is the most expensive piece actually, believe it or not. Oh yeah, bro. This is the rear fender I've been needing for about the past 6 months. Get ready. Alright guys, we got this Alba Racing front bumper for the Polaris Predator 500. That's one piece for it in. We have some other stuff coming. It seems like it's a pretty decent build quality. It'll look pretty sick on the front of the Polaris once it's done. Alright guys, nothing really too cool here, just, you know, brake rotors and pads. Figured I'd do it, you know, just because it's the unboxing video. Quick slice. A lot of people like this shit, so here's the ceramic pads. This is that cheap eBay stuff, so we'll see how it holds out. I'll let you guys know if anybody's interested in it. And then, you know, 2 boxes of rotors. Nothing special. Bust them out quick for you. Drilled and slotted. Nice. Those must be really high performance, huh? Guys, I believe this is for the truck. This is the mystery box. I'm not sure what it is here. So we got in here. God. Should be for the truck. That's happening. Oh, this is actually the calipers. That's pretty cool. Those came in today. The truck. Alright guys, the last box here. Last box of the day. Pretty sure it's the shocks. Considering it's a Detroit axle. Yep, got one. These are the fronts, I believe, and these are the backs. I got all my shocks on too. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Hey guys, me and my boy are going to be painting this. I'm going to do a quick time lapse for you guys. We're going to be painting this rear fender for the Polaris Predator 500. Hope you guys like it. Hey guys, I wanted to update you guys. I got these drilled and slotted rotors on the Hemi on. The cheapest rotors and pads you can get on eBay. New calipers on both sides, brake fluid all over the garage floor. I just wanted to make a quick update, show you guys that I got that done. It's a mess in here. I got to do the shocks tomorrow, so I'm going to probably be borrowing my dad's truck again for the night. Yeah, it's been a real long night, you know, snapping bolts off on the way out, using the torches. It's been a real hectic one. I got my buddy Devin here with me. He's helped me out a lot tonight. Pretty cool guy. Yeah, the bed's still on the truck. The guy was supposed to take it because he was going to, basically take it for free as scrap. So I had to bring this to the scrap yard tomorrow. It's completely disconnected. Gas tank. Taillights are taped on. This thing's really looking rough right now, but I promise it's gonna look better soon.